Let me show you how you can create carousels for your graphic design. So what are carousels? So these are the way you can be able to show designs and illustrate your content. Alright, so that's not like the literal meaning, but yeah, let me show you a sample of what a carousel looks like on LinkedIn. So this is specifically for those that like to, post on LinkedIn. I'm going to show you how you can create carousel and also upload it on your LinkedIn. So this is a carousel. Yes, you can see you illustrate your content in this format. Okay, people like to put their pictures, people don't like to put their pictures. Either way, this helps to bring out your story or whatever you want to talk about. So I'm also going to show you how you can upload it this way because some people also make mistakes. They upload it as they're uploading pictures. Right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So now let's go to Canva. Click on Canva. And the beautiful thing about Canva is that you can um, make use of the template they have there, or you can create your own from scratch. Now, when it comes to Canva, understanding the layout is very important. What do I mean? If you're making this carousel for Instagram, it's different from making this carousel for LinkedIn. So what do? We just search for either carousel for LinkedIn, carousel for LinkedIn. If it's for Instagram, we search for carousel for Instagram. Okay, so sorry, I went to my design. So I'm going to copy this, go to template, right? Let me click on template here. I'm typing here and click on go. And then you can see a lot of templates here for free, like a whole lot. So you can pick any and start editing. Alright, you can pick any and start editing. So this is the format for LinkedIn carousel. When you click on it, you can start creating your content. So we're just going to do something simple and short for the sake of this tutorial. Alright, so for me, I like to create things from scratch. Although I can get ideas from any of these carousels, but I like to do mine from scratch. So I'm going to start this from scratch. Alright, I'm going to start this from scratch. Now, what do I want to create? First of all, I'm going to work on my color. Alright, so I'm going to use earthy green. Alright, this is my color. I'm using 3 colors for my design, and those are the colors I use for my branding, right? So let's say I want to get ideas. What do? I go to template and look for ideas here. So let's say I love this. So I'm going to click on this and use only, they're asking if I can apply on all pages. No, I'm going to only use the first page, which I prefer. So I'm going to click on this. This is what I prefer just for the cover page. So I'm going to change the color back to my earthy green. So I'm going to go for something like this. I'm going to remove this. So just to remove something, change something, I'm going to use white for this. White for this. This red. I'm going to change it to the I'm going to change this green to, let's say I'm using another color, pink. Then the same thing here. Okay, so now that we have our front page, so I'm going to swipe over to create the second page. Alright, going to create the second page. So I'm going to head over to my ChatGPT, and let's say I want to create something simple. So I'll say this is a carousel post and put in 3 pages. Because you want to make this short as possible. Write out 3 tips for a coach to help enhance her system. Alright, so it can be coaching system or whatever, but let's just make use of this. Wait for it to load. So here's the theme page. Alright, so it didn't give me title. I need a title, so give me title options. Cool. So 3 simple ways to improve your coaching system. How to build a better coaching system. Okay, so I'm going to just copy the first one because you don't want to waste time and I like it. So I'm going to head over my Canva, then paste this. Alright, so I'm not done here. This is where your creative skill comes in. You have to somehow be creative to make this thing work for you. Alright? To make this work for you. So three simple ways. I want to put this way, cut it here and paste it here. Alright? Don't worry, we're going to make this work. You can choose a different design that will not give you stress like this. It's okay. So I'm going to copy this system, cut it and paste it here. So now I will now arrange it. Alright? So put this back. So put this here. So put this here. I want to make this in capital letter, so I'm going to do this here. To improve your coaching system. So I'm going to move here. I'm going to move it here. I'm going to put it in black. Also, I'm going to put it in capital. So I'm going to adjust it. So three simple ways to improve your coaching system. So I think I like this. Now some people like to insert their pictures, to make a statement. You can do that if you want to. Just go to your gallery. Alright, your pictures are going to upload here. So you scroll over. Sorry, my pictures are below. You can just pick your pictures and add it, okay? You can remove background of your pictures. If you are not using the Canva premium version, it might be difficult for you to remove the background. It will be difficult or it's not possible for you. Just make use of another option, background remover. You can use remove BG. Go to Chrome website and start to remove BG. That way you can be able to remove pictures. I'm trying to look for pictures here, but I can't find my pictures. They are down. So let's leave it. So now let's create our content. I like this font, so I'm going to copy it. I like this font, so I want to use it. So I'm going to scroll here and paste it here. Alright. So our first option ChatGPT gave us is create a clear client onboarding process. Copy, come here and paste it. Alright. So paste it. Select all and paste. So you're wondering, am I going to leave this like this? Of course no. I'm going to reduce this, extend this, and put it in a straight mode. So I'm going to increase the line spacing. Okay, see? So now we're going to make sure this is in place in the middle. I think yes, it's okay. Now the content. So I'm going to go to text, go to add subheading, go to my code and copy and paste. So this is what we pasted. It's not looking neat, so we're going to adjust that. I'm going to use the font, change the font. So let's use something simple. Okay, I think I like this one. Okay, good. So what do you think? Create a clear client onboarding process. Your coaching system becomes stronger when every new client knows exactly what to expect from the beginning. Set up a simple onboarding flow that includes a welcome message, client questionnaire, payment confirmation session, schedule goals, assessment, and all of it. Alright, so to make your design look more, you can add an image, alright? You can add your image or you can make use of images here. You go to elements, I'm looking for I'm going to describe what I'm looking for, a lady with a laptop. Alright, a lady with a laptop. Click on search. So I can make use of any of these images, to make my work look more beautiful. So let me see. Okay, let me make use of this. So I'm going to adjust this. This is black. So I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, so you can see now it's better. So now, instead of creating another page, I'm going to duplicate this and duplicate this. So I've duplicated it to make it easy for me. So document your coaching framework. I'm going to copy this. So it's very easy now for me to work with. I'm just going to paste this. I'm not going to be doing any moving around. Alright, I'm going to copy this now. I'm going to paste this. Can you see? No moving around. Everything just goes where. Alright, I'll do any small adjustment to make it fit. And so the next part that I duplicated, I'm going to copy the third tip. Track your client progress and feedback. Copy, paste. Come back here. Copy, paste. Okay, so we just need to readjust this to make it fit. This one too. Okay. So we are done. Alright, we are done. You can see we've created a carousel that can be easy to read. So what do? If you're uploading this on Instagram, use this button, download directly. Alright, okay. So I'm canceling it because I'm not using it on Instagram. If I want to upload this on LinkedIn, I'm going to use this share button. Click on download. Click on file type. Make it a document. So it's going to be a PDF. And click on download. So I've downloaded it as a document. If you are uploading carousels on LinkedIn, it has to be in a document format. So right next, I'm going to go back to my LinkedIn to upload this. Alright, so I'll click on post, this plus sign. Alright, click on this plus sign here. Click on document. Click on choose file. Alright, wait for my file to load. I think this is my file. So I'm going to name my file 3 tips to improve your coaching. You have to put a title, please. It's very important. So you can see my document. You see how they are aligned. See? Very easy. So you click on next. Then you can put any caption of your choice. And you can say, this is why coaches struggle. This is why coaches struggle. Or some coaches struggle from their beginning stage. I mean, this type of hook, this type of hook is a curiosity hook. I mean, if you're a coach, you would want to read through. So I'm going to go down, and then start my caption. Some coaches lack system at their beginning stage. I'm going to delete this post, so I don't want to waste too much time. So I can just continue to write, and then when I'm done, I'll click on post. So I've made my post, and you can see how my post looks like on LinkedIn. Very easy to read. You can see this is why some coaches struggle from their beginning stage. Everyone who is interested in coaching would want to read through. You click on more to read down. Alright? So this is how you can create a simple carousel with your picture or not. Alright? So I'm going to delete this post. So with this, you can be able to create carousels for yourself. Like I said earlier, you can make use of templates like this. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can make use of templates. Click on one of them and then start putting in your colors. Make sure everything is aligned. You have your own brand colors. You can use this. You can delete some things if you don't want them to be there. Canva is your go-to for easy design like this. I'll see you in another video. Bye.